it's Jisoo and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my August bullet journal setup because as you guys can know, August is right around the corner, so let's begin. So right now I'm setting up for my monthly goals and I am writing down with my gold gel pen, and I chose the color theme for this bullet journal setup as gold and also some black colors as well, because I wanted to draw this beautiful flower named Big Blue Lilyturf using these two colors. So yeah, I chose the color theme for gold. Then I began to design my cover page and I drew a circle around the place where I'm going to be writing down the word August, and I just designed the circle with some leaves because I just wanted to make some kind of like a theme that can fit with the flower that I'm going to be drawing as well. So I chose that one as some beautiful leaves that are just designed by me. Then right under the bottom, I began to draw those beautiful flowers as I mentioned before, the big blue lily turfs. And I used my gold gel pen and also my black pen as well, and I think it turned out really good and probably better than I expected it to be. Then I began to draw my monthly spread, and I'm using my black pen right now, and then I color the part where I'm going to be writing down the days with my gold pen, and then I wrote down the word like Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays using my white gel pen. Next, I began to draw this mood tracker, and for this mood tracker, I decided to draw a big blue lily turf in the middle of the page with some buds around it, so I can just color in the buds for certain moods that I'm feeling for certain days. Then I moved on to my habit tracker, and for habit tracker I decided to draw something that can be unique than other spreads. So I decided to draw some calendars for my 6 habits, and also I decided to draw a ring with these flowers buds around it, so the spread can be really uniquely themed. After waiting for the calendar of the habit trackers to dry because of the gold gel pen that I'm using, I just came back to my mood tracker and drew some more flowers around the really big blue lily turf. Then I moved on to my study tracker, and I just wanted to use this spread to check on myself and how many hours I've studied on certain days. After finishing my study tracker, I moved on to my health tracker, and for this tracker, I just decided to write down the meals that I've consumed on certain days and what type of food that I consume for certain meals, like what I ate for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and have I eaten snack or not. And I just wanted to use this spread to check if I was eating healthy foods or some junk foods that can be unhealthy for me. Then I moved on to my brain dump section, and for this brain dump section I just drew some lines on the corners of the page, so around the edges. So I drew several lines around it, and I drew the buds of the big blue lily turf using my gold gel pen. So I moved on to my expense tracker, and for the expense tracker I decided to go with the same pattern that I've done in the July bullet journal setup. So writing down the dates, explanation, and also the amount of money that I've spent, the remaining amount, and also if I've used this money for in a cash or in a card. I moved on to my favorite part of this August bullet journal setup, which was writing down some quotes that I found on the internet. So I wanted to write down the quotes about books, because I'm going to be writing down the reading logs next to this quote. So I found a quote that says, "You can't buy happiness, but you can buy books," and that's kind of the same thing. I found this quote on Google, and I thought this quote was really cool, and I thought it might fit with the reading log that I'm going to be writing next to it. So I just wrote it with my brush pen and also my just black pen, and also using my gold gel pen. Now, last but not least, my final spread for this August bullet journal setup, which was reading log. I just tried to keep it really simple and just make lots of blanks for writing down the summaries of the book that I've read. So yeah, I just kept it really simple by just drawing boxes and decorating with just only 2 big blue lily turfs. This is the flip through of my whole August bullet journal setup, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, press likes and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.